quickly learn a song on piano, if you're a beginner, first you have to understand the hand position. Okay, so let's focus on the right hand for now. Hand position, the very basic is the middle C position. Find your middle C. Mine is right here. If you don't know where middle C is, look at your keyboards, look at the center of the keyboards, look for the two black keys in the middle, and then middle C is on the left side of the first black key here, right here. That's middle C, okay? And check your middle C if it sounds the same as this one, okay? Not this or not this. They're all C's, but middle C is right here, okay? Now back to hand position. Your thumb will be assigned to middle C, right here, okay? We call our thumb finger number 1. Finger number 2 is your index finger. We assign it to D. Finger number 3 is your middle finger on E. Finger number 4 on F. And finger number 5 on G. So you get the point? Every finger will have their own white keys. Like that, okay? So this position, very important. Instead of thinking about notes, you can think about finger numbers only. For example, if you want to play a very basic tune, Mary Had a Little Lamb, you don't need to think about E, D, C, D, E, E, E. You can think about finger numbers only, like 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. See what I mean? I don't need to think about the letters of the notes for now. You just simply think about the finger numbers only. So if you want to write down that, you just simply write down 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, and that's the first part. The next part is 2, 2, 2. Then, again, 3, 3, 3. Then you just repeat 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. But this time, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. There are 4 threes here now. Because the ending is 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. So I'll start from here. There you go. So just by thinking about finger numbers, and if you position and lock your fingers in place, you only need to think about finger numbers, not letters, not necessarily the notes. Okay, so this is one tip for playing another way to learn piano music, okay, just by finger numbers. So practice this first with just the hand position and finger numbers, and I'll see you on the next lesson.